इस माहौल को देखकर मुझे एक शेर याद आ रहा है। आंखों में खुशी हो, होठों पर हंसी हो, गम का कहीं नाम ना हो। इज़राइन जाइफा की खुशियां मुबारक हो तुम सबको, इन खुशियों की कभी शाम ना हो।
Ladies and gentlemen, we are talking of our very first ad category, the celebrity promotion ad category.
And the winner is Miss Yamini Sonavne. Congratulations to all the winners and all the best.
So moving from pre-teens to mid-teens. I know it's not right, but me and Shefali just had a bet on who is going to win.
So I just can't wait to find out who the winner is.
The winner is Master Sanket Gumasi.
So it's time to announce the last age group.
And the winner is Miss Ayman Pasha.
Because of the poverty India faces, so many people are being abandoned and left on the roadsides of the city. One day Narayanan Krishnan saw an old man eating his own human waste as food. The sight really hurt him. He worked at a 5-star hotel as a chef. He had all the ambitions he wanted to excel in whatever he was doing. But the old man changed everything. Now he feeds and cares for the abandoned and mentally ill in his own town, Madurai. He gets up every day at 4 o'clock so that he can prepare fresh meals for approximately 400 people. No matter it rains or shines, he never calls the day off. All these people totally rely on him as he serves them with free meals a day. He says that the happiness on their faces gives him energy which keeps him going. He is the real hero. He is you.
Can we say a few words?
Some of the participants, the winners, have shown us some things that really awaken us, should awaken us, if they haven't already. Sometimes we need a pinch just to understand, hey, this is reality. Sometimes we live in our own worlds. Help us realize that the different aspects of reality and the different challenges that people face today, and how you and us together, we must be the change. So I congratulate the winners, and I wish that we continue this and we get better and better, and we definitely make an impact in society.